Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to take you through a watch that doesn't just tell the time, it captures the beauty of nature inside its dial. This is the Benyar BY-5208M Automatic. And believe me, it's a watch that blends elegance, character, and affordability in one unique package. Now let's start with what makes this watch truly stand out. The dial. This is not your usual flat dial. The beige sandy texture looks like ripples of desert sand frozen in time. When light hits it, the dial almost comes alive, as if the sand itself is moving with the wind. That illusion is created thanks to the slightly domed mineral crystal, which adds distortion from the sides and makes the texture look deeper and more organic. At different angles, the dial shifts tones, sometimes golden beige, sometimes soft light beige. It feels like standing in the middle of a desert and seeing those smooth, wavy dunes captured inside a watch. And the best part? This beige tone is extremely versatile. Whether it's a formal office setting or a casual weekend outing, this dial stays classic and balanced. But if you're someone who loves blue, there's something special for you as well: the sky blue sand dial. This isn't a flat baby blue. The grainy sand texture creates depth, and under the light, it shifts between coastal blue and deeper ocean shades. It literally feels like you're looking at sand dunes on a beach, with the soft breeze making them move. Zoom in, and the texture looks so realistic that you feel like you can touch it. Honestly, this reminds me of the high-end Grand Seiko textured dials, but here you get it at a budget-friendly price. The dark desert black dial is inspired by the calm, mysterious beauty of a desert night. Instead of being just plain black, it has a fine sand-like texture that plays with light, sometimes looking smoky gray, other times deep, bold black. This subtle shifting effect makes the dial feel alive, almost like you're looking at desert dunes under moonlight. What makes it special is its balance of elegance and versatility. The textured finish gives it a premium feel without being flashy, making it perfect for both formal wear and casual outfits. It's a dial that quietly stands out, offering depth and sophistication in a simple, understated way. The frosty white snow dial captures the pure and clean look of freshly fallen snow. Its crisp white texture reflects light beautifully, giving the dial a bright, refreshing presence on the wrist. The subtle, grainy finish adds depth, almost like the natural sparkle you see when sunlight touches snow, making it elegant yet eye-catching. The white snow dial adds a touch of sophistication and calmness. It's a timeless color choice that never goes out of style and feels just as special in everyday moments as it does on important occasions. Now let's talk about the specs of this watch. The case diameter is 40 millimeters, making it a sweet spot size that fits most wrists comfortably. The lug-to-lug is 49 millimeters, giving it some presence without feeling oversized. It has a thickness of 14 millimeters, and with a 20 millimeter lug width, you can easily swap out straps if you want to change the look. The total weight comes in at around 135 grams, which feels solid and premium on the wrist. The case is made from alloy, featuring smooth, polished curves and clean finishing. The elegant downward lugs help it sit very comfortably on the wrist, so it doesn't feel bulky at all. On the right-hand side, you get a 6 millimeter crown with a push-pull mechanism. Simple and easy to use. Flip the watch over, and you'll find a transparent exhibition caseback. This is always a treat, because you can actually see the automatic movement ticking inside. For a watch in this budget, that's definitely a special touch and adds a lot of character to the overall experience. It comes with a solid stainless steel oyster bracelet, a brushed finish, and a butterfly clasp. The weight feels premium, not cheap or hollow, which is rare for a watch under this price range. Inside, this watch is powered by the BY-5018 Automatic Self-Winding Movement. It even has a hacking second hand feature, which means you can stop the second hand for perfect time setting, something you don't usually find at this price point. For daily use, it's reliable and does the job well. Honestly, I was only expecting the looks at this budget, but the movement, combined with the overall design, really surprised me. It feels like you're getting much more value than you'd normally expect in this segment. The watch comes with elegant dauphine-style hour and minute hands, which really match the dressy character of this piece. Like a dress watch, the lume is kept minimal, only on the hands, so you get a touch of nighttime visibility without losing that classic formal look. You'll notice 12, 6, and 9 o'clock positions, double rectangular-shaped indices for balance. The rest of the hour markers are clean, single rectangular indices, keeping the dial layout neat, simple, and classy. This design choice makes the watch feel refined and versatile, perfect for office wear or evening occasions. A date window at the 3 o'clock position, keeping the design elegant while adding daily usefulness. Put everything together. The sandy textured dial, domed crystal, solid bracelet, and automatic movement. And what you get is a budget king automatic watch that doesn't compromise on class. Whether you're into subtle beige, coastal blue, desert night black, or frosty whites, this watch blends into every outfit and still stands out with its textured artistry. And here's a bonus. This watch is rated 50 meters water resistant, which means it can handle daily splashes, hand washing, and light rain without worry. So, what do you think about the Benyar BY-5208M and its sandy textured dials? Would you go for the beige desert tone, the sky blue beach vibe, desert black, or the snow white? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. For purchasing, you can contact us directly on WhatsApp or through the website link in bio. Be the first to own it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more watch reviews, and follow on Instagram for daily watch updates. Until next time, keep ticking and I'll see you in the next video.